How to beat Nightmare mode on Palm Paradise in Toilet Tower Defense. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to beat Nightmare mode on Palm Paradise in Toilet Tower Defense mode. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So in today's video I will be sharing you guys some of the strategies on how to beat Nightmare mode on Palm Paradise in Toilet Tower Defense. So they are as follows. Strategy number 1. Nightmare mode is very hard to beat with auto skip on, but it is possible with units such as upgraded Titan cameraman. Then strategy number 2. Toilet SQ is recommended to beat this mode as it has the best placements out of every map. Then last but not the least strategy, Toilet City is also recommended cause it is the longest track out of all the maps. So using these following maps or using these following strategies, you could beat Nightmares mode on Palm Paradise in Toilet Tower Defense. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.